My wife stopped snoring when a friend of mine gave me this miraculous remedy. We all know that many people around the world have sleeping problems. And one of the most common reasons for that is because their partner snore. Before we start with this video, I would like to ask you a simple question. Do you know what's the main cause of snoring? Here's what you need to know. Well, the medical expert claimed that one of the main things that cause snoring is excess mucus. And this means one thing, we will reduce the amount of mucus from the airways. This means that we will be able to reduce or prevent snoring. Well, you shouldn't worry because there is an easy way to prevent and stop this bad habit. A friend of mine showed me how to make this miraculous remedy. It works like a charm. You will be amazed by the results, trust me. It's very simple. All you have to make this homemade drink and drink it before you go to sleep every night. This homemade juice will help you to eliminate the mucus, which is one of the main reasons for snoring. Note, this is also very important. Make sure you use organic fruit and vegetables because they don't contain the harmful chemicals and the pesticides that other products have. You will need the following ingredients: 1/4 lemon, 1 pieces of ginger, 2 apple, 2 carrot, half cup of water. Directions: this homemade remedy is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instruction. You just have to put all the ingredients in a blender and blend until you get nice and homogeneous mixture. And make sure you drink this homemade juice few hours before you go to sleep. You need to drink this anti-snoring juice, but you should also be careful and avoid certain types of food because they will make the condition even worse. These are the foods and drinks you must avoid. Make sure you avoid consuming processed foods and drink. Don't drink too much alcohol. And yes, you should avoid fried food. Avoid eating too much of chocolate. Don't eat food that are hard to digest. As we said, you need to avoid these food and drinks and make sure you drink this juice few hours before in bedtime. It will help you to clear your airways from the annoying mucus. This means no more snoring and better night sleep. We really hope you enjoyed this video and please share it with your friends and family. Thank you.